Goal setting is a powerful skill that every student should learn. It helps you to plan your future and see where you want to go in life. Just like a map shows you how to get to a destination, setting goals gives you a clear path to follow. When you have goals, it becomes easier to focus on what is important and work hard to achieve them. To begin with, think about what you really want to achieve. Ask yourself questions like, what do I want to learn this year, or what skills do I want to develop? Write these down. These are your goals. They can be about your studies, hobbies, or even personal growth. When you put them on paper, they become real. You can also share these goals with a teacher or a friend for support. It's important to make your goals SMART. This means they should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want to study more, say, I want to complete 2 chapters of my math book each week. This makes it clear and easy to track your progress. After you have set your think about the steps you need to take to reach each goal. If your goal is to improve your grades, you might decide to study for 30 minutes every day, or ask for help from a teacher when you don't understand something. Breaking down your goals into smaller tasks makes them less overwhelming and more manageable. As you begin working on your goals, remember to stay motivated. Celebrate small achievements along the way. If you complete a chapter or score well on a test, reward yourself with something you enjoy. This encourages you to keep pushing forward. Lastly, do not be afraid to adjust your goals if needed. Sometimes life can change, and that's okay. If you find a goal is no longer important to you or is too difficult to achieve, feel free to modify it. The key is to keep moving towards what you want. With effective goal setting, you can create a brighter future for yourself. Start today and watch how your dreams become closer to reality. A goal board, often a visual display of goals and aspirations, can be an incredibly useful tool for students. Here's how it can make a positive impact. 1. Clarity and focus. A goal board helps students clarify what they want to achieve. Whether it's short-term goals like completing a project or long-term ones like college admission, a visual board keeps these goals in clear view, helping students stay focused and avoid distractions. 2. Motivation and inspiration. Seeing goals visually represented can be a powerful motivator. A goal board serves as a daily reminder of what students are working towards, helping them stay motivated during challenging times. Accountability and discipline. By tracking their goals, students can hold themselves accountable. When they see their goals every day, it encourages discipline and commitment to progress toward those goals. 4. Improved time management. A goal board can help students prioritize tasks and allocate time effectively. When goals are broken down into smaller steps, it becomes easier to manage time and set a plan of action for achieving them. 5. Sense of achievement and confidence. Boost. Marking milestones or crossing off completed goals can boost confidence. It gives students a sense of achievement and builds positive reinforcement, motivating them to set and accomplish even more challenging goals. 6. Stress reduction. Having a clear plan can help reduce the stress and anxiety associated with deadlines and expectations. A goal board simplifies complex goals into manageable steps, making the path forward less overwhelming. A goal board, especially if updated and reviewed regularly, can be a game changer for students in building better study habits, staying organized, and realizing their aspirations more effectively. Thank you for watching.